Do you want to provide easy-to-use interfaces to your employees for managing access rights and authorization? Then have a look at our video and see how easy it can be to deploy FIORI-like user interfaces to your internal customers. First, it is necessary to download an IdM package to extract your UI definition. Therefore, you need to log into the Segmento UI5 portal and download the IdM package. Import the downloaded IdM package to your system. After importing the package, check it out and customize the package constants to your system if needed. Then run the export config job and check the results. Your UI definition will be extracted to a zip file. Upload the extracted UI definition to the portal and wait for the email with your download link. Download the generated deployable UI package to your computer and transfer it to your IdM system. Deploy the package with SAP Solution Manager or via Telnet to your IdM system. Finally, log into your IdM system with the Segmento UI5 path. All your WebDim-Pro UI should be available in the new UI5 board. With Segmento UI Generator, you are able to use WebDim-Pro or the FIORI interface at the same time. Deployable in a minute, the solution saves time and increases the user experience.